What's happening, ladies and gents? It's your boy, the Double D. Read the name below. We're here at Quincy McGuffin's house to pimp his rig. This guy's been rocking the same system since 2003. He's in damn need of a bit of an upgrade. I say we throw some yummy in his case right now. Quincy McGuffin, it's your boy. Oh, my man Quincy, it's the Double D. I'm not here to sell you crack unless you want some. But if you don't, I'm here to pimp your rig, son. I cannot wait to pimp this man's rig. Let's take a look at Mr. McGuffin's rig right over there on the table and see if we can work on magic. Come on, show me what you got, buddy. What is happening, ladies and gents? I'm here with Quincy McGuffin. He's about to show us his PC from 2003. You a time traveler, man. This thing is ancient. Why don't you take us through it?
I call it the ducky because it's got a little ducky here that I quite like.
That duck is toit, man.
And then I had a cool sticker here that said cool sticker, but it fell off a couple of years ago, so I'll leave that there to remind me of the good times.
Noise.
And then over here there used to be like some stuff that worked and stuff, and that broke, so I now use this as my little snack attack drawer.
Oh dang, this guy got his snack attack right inside his computer. These nuts, man. That's amazing.
They sustain me, so that's pretty cool. I got my little eggies as well.
Whoa.
Put those back in.
What is this contraption right up here?
Well, I'm a Sith Lord online, so this is my
Oh!
Sith lighting.
That is some impressive RGB, man. You like RGB?
I like the Sith lighting.
Yeah? You like duckies?
The ducky's pretty cool.
And we know you love these nuts, man.
Yeah, as I said before, they sustain me.
I tell you what, man, I know exactly the bull for you, bro. Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna bull Mr. McGuffin the best damn PC he ever gonna see with that shit. Let's get to work. All right, ladies and gents, we're gonna get this build underway. I want to show you what our boys at Eve Tech hooked us up with, yo. It's the new Trio Elite case. This is gonna be Mr. McGuffin's new jam. So without further ado, let's get it going. What now, son? Zoom in on that, boy. What's happening, ladies and gents? Whoa. Extreme. We just finished Quincy McGuffin's build, and things are looking toys. Don't take my word for it. Look for yourself. Check it out. So Quincy told us that he really loves RGB. Oh, you can put a check in that box. Whoa! He also told us he likes little duckies. Guess what we put in here? Little ducky number 1. Ho Noise, noise, noise! We're gonna blow Quincy's mind with this bulb, man. He doesn't even know what's coming his way. Okay, so next up, we're gonna get Quincy in here to see what he thinks of his brand new rig. Come on, guys, get him in here.
Oh.
Yo, Quincy, I think this belongs to you.
Wow.
What do you think of your new bulb, man?
Looks super swell. Super swell.
Super swell? Hey, we got your RGB. One of the brand new features in the Trio is that it's got more RGB than you can shake a stick at, if you know what I'm saying.
Golly.
And we kept little Ducky there because I know how much you like little Ducky.
I do like ducks. Nice.
Oh, the boys at Pimp My Rig spared no expense. Big ups to the legends at Eve Tech for lending us this beautiful Trio lead case. It is ballin', son. What's the first game you're gonna play on your new rig?
Probably the Age of Empires 2.
Boom, you just blew my hat off with that, man. Boom, that is mind expanding, son. Well, big ups to you. I got more rigs to pimp. I got to be out. High fives these all around.